Together, we will review all the fields on Adam's biweekly pay statement, including earnings and deduction. The first field is the company name and complete mailing address. Next is Adam's first name, middle initial, last name, and complete mailing address. Employee number is the number that was assigned to Adam by his employer. Job title is Adam's position at Funville Game Design. Tax withholding status: let Funville Game Design know how much federal income tax should be taken from Adam's paycheck. Pay period begin date is the first day of the payroll cycle. Funville Game Design as a 14-day payroll cycle. Pay period end date is the last day of Funville Game Design payroll cycle. Payment date is the date when Adam's paycheck will be deposited into his bank account. Bank account number is the last four numbers of Adam's bank account number. The rest of his account number is hidden to protect his information. Regular hours is the earning type for the pay cycle. This will not include overtime hours. Hours are the number of regular hours worked for the pay cycle. Again, this will not include overtime hours. Pay rate is the amount that Adam will be paid for each regular hours worked during the pay cycle. Current amount is the total amount of regular hours that Adam earned for the current pay cycle. Year-to-date amount is the total amount of regular hours that Adam earned for the current calendar year. Current federal income tax is the money that Funville Game Design will deduct from Adam's paycheck for the current pay period. Current Social Security tax is the money that Funville Game Design will deduct from Adam's paycheck for the current pay period. Current Medicare is the money that Funville Game Design will deduct from Adam's paycheck for the current pay period. Florida does not have income tax, so the amount is zero. Year-to-date taxes is the total amount of federal income tax, Social Security, and Medicare deducted for the current calendar year. Pay period summary gross pay is the total that Adam earned before deductions such as taxes are taken from his paycheck. Pay period summary total deductions is the total that is deducted from Adam's paycheck, including taxes. Net pay is the amount that will be deposited into Adam's bank account on payday.